Hi, I'm Diane Grover, Cosmetic Chemist Trainer and Assessor here with the Institute of Personal Care Science. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Hydra Bright Creme Gel. Now let me show you just how easy it is. Today we are making this Hydra Bright Creme Gel. Creme gels are more cream-like than serums because they have around 7 to 10% lipids, but more gel-like than a cream because they use polymeric emulsifiers rather than waxy emulsifiers. So they sit somewhere between a serum and a cream. We will start with the water phase. I'm adding some humectant to attract and retain water in the skin, supporting both hydration and skin appearance. In a lightweight creme gel system, humectants enhance fresh moisturizing feel without adding heaviness or greasiness. To that, I will add some Original Extract Lemon Bio, which is a brightening agent to promote skin radiance. And some niacinamide. Niacinamide is a multifunctional active known for its skin brightening, barrier supporting and hydrating properties. It helps improve uneven skin tone and dullness while supporting the skin's natural ceramide production, helping to strengthen the moisture barrier and reduce moisture loss. And because this is a cold process formula, I can add in my broad spectrum preservative now. For the lipid phase, I'm using a polymeric emulsifier to give that gel-like viscosity. For the lipids, I'm using coneflower oil by ProVital. Coneflower, or echinacea as it's known, helps support the skin's natural defense system, which can slow down with age and sun exposure. It promotes skin renewal and regeneration, making it useful in products for mature or damaged skin. Coneflower oil is rich in fatty acids and phytosterols, which promote skin conditioning and emollient benefits, helping to reduce moisture loss by forming a protective barrier on the skin, leaving the skin feeling soft and hydrated. And some squalane to provide some lightweight moisturization without leaving a greasy feel. It helps improve skin softness and smoothness while supporting the skin's barrier and reducing moisture loss. And to finish, I will add a touch of sweet orange essential oil and an antioxidant for oxidative stability. Once the lipids and polymeric emulsifier are smooth, you can homogenize it with the water phase. Once the creme gel has formed, you can take it off and check and adjust the pH. And then we have this brightening, hydrating creme gel to get your skin looking like glass. See? And that's how easy it is to make a Hydra Bright Creme Gel. If you like today's formula, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to receive notifications on videos just like this, and email us at info@personalcarescience.com.au for all our free formulas. Happy formulating!